Hi, this is Colin from Watch Off the Cuff. What I have here is a movement holder. This one is made by Horotec. The part number for this is MSA09.004. This is a high quality machined movement holder. I grabbed a 7S26 I had just floating around in the shop here just to demonstrate for people who haven't seen this before. It's literally like a small vise and allows us to securely hold the movement for assembly, disassembly, inspection, etc. So one of the big things that's different about this one compared to, and I'll grab an economy version, is that you can see the rounded edges here. This end piece here, both these end pieces have been just roughly stamped, and then we have some machining here, just some rough machining, and it looks like this is probably chrome-plated brass. Now, granted, this is from me way back. This definitely got the job done in the day, but you can see that the width here is fairly thin. The steps here are a little crude, and what you get when you move to a movement hole like this is there's an additional flat groove here. So if you had a square object you were trying to hold at your bench that was small, you could get away with it. The other thing that's nice about here is if you take a look, especially in the second step, you've got quite a bit of depth here. Now this one, you can see if you flip around to the other side, if we open this up, we have a really large range. You could probably put a small pocket watch movement and hold it securely there as well. If we flip it over here and we were to use either this step or this step here, then you can see if we close that up, we're gonna get pretty small. I have done some Hamilton mechanical services for ladies Hamiltons that are very small. All of the screws in that have like a 0.6 millimeter head on them, to give you an idea. So that'll go quite small. Anyway, you can see here this is a solid piece of machined steel, and we have a very nice screw mechanism for it to move it in and out. So that is the MSA09.004. To give you an eye, if you were taking a look at that, and you may see this link if you are browsing watchoffthecuff.com and looking for watchmaker supplies, you'll see this video, and hopefully you're watching it now, and you can it'll help you make a decision about whether this is something that you think will be useful to you. Until next time, cheers.